Welcome to our channel. Today we how to log into Canva Brand Kit for consistent LinkedIn personal branding, detailed guide step by step clearly. To log into Canva Brand Kit for consistent LinkedIn personal branding, start by opening your web browser. In the address bar, type in www.canva.com and press enter. Once the Canva homepage loads, look for the login button, typically located in the upper right corner. Click on the login button. You will see multiple options for logging in. If you have an email and password associated with your Canva account, enter your email address in the designated field. Then, enter your password in the password field. If you prefer, you can also log in with your Google or Facebook account by selecting the corresponding option. After entering your credentials or selecting an external account, click on the Login button again. Once logged in, navigate to the left side of the screen. Look for the Brand Kit option in the menu. Click on Brand Kit to access your branding elements. If it's your first time using Brand Kit, you may need to set it up. Follow the on-screen prompts to input your brand colors, fonts, and logos. Ensure your selections are consistent with your personal branding strategy for LinkedIn. After setting up your Brand Kit, you can start creating LinkedIn content. Choose from a variety of templates designed for LinkedIn posts or banners. Customize these templates using the elements from your Brand Kit. Maintain consistency by using the same colors, fonts, and logos across all your designs. Once satisfied with your design, click the Download button in the upper right corner. Select your desired file format and download your creation to your device. Now you are ready to upload your branding materials to LinkedIn for a cohesive professional image. That's how you can log into Canva Brand Kit for seamless branding on LinkedIn. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.